Artemis I is a pivotal mission in NASA's Artemis program, marking the first integrated flight test of the agency's deep space exploration system. This mission will involve a comprehensive test of the Orion spacecraft, the Space Launch System (SLS) rocket, and the ground systems at Kennedy Space Center in Cape Canaveral, Florida. Artemis I is designed to pave the way for future crewed missions to the Moon and beyond, ultimately aiming to establish a sustainable human presence on the Moon and lay the groundwork for missions to Mars. The uncrewed Orion spacecraft, which will be launched atop the SLS rocket, is designed to carry astronauts on deep space missions. On Artemis I, Orion will be tested in a mission that will take it thousands of miles beyond the Moon, traveling farther than any spacecraft built for humans has ever flown. The spacecraft will travel on a highly elliptical orbit, reaching distances of up to 280,000 miles from Earth, farther than the distance to the Moon. This mission is critical in demonstrating the spacecraft's ability to perform in deep space, including its heat shield, navigation, and communication systems, all of which will be essential for future crewed missions. The SLS rocket, the most powerful rocket NASA has ever built, will provide the necessary thrust to propel Orion on its journey. With its impressive capabilities, SLS will be capable of carrying large payloads to deep space, including astronauts and essential equipment for lunar exploration. The rocket's first flight during Artemis I will demonstrate its ability to safely launch and deliver the Orion spacecraft into orbit. The mission will also test NASA's ground systems at Kennedy Space Center, ensuring that all infrastructure, including the launch pad and mission control, are fully operational and ready for future crewed missions. Over the course of about 3 weeks, Artemis I will provide invaluable data on the performance of the entire system, helping NASA refine and perfect the technology and procedures needed for subsequent missions. Artemis I is a critical step toward the goal of returning humans to the Moon by 2025, with the Artemis II mission set to carry astronauts around the Moon in the near future. The Artemis program is a cornerstone of NASA's long-term vision for human space exploration, and Artemis I will provide the first real-world testing of the technologies and systems that will enable humanity to explore the Moon, Mars, and beyond.